Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Monday. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you understand which platform best suits your needs. Notion offers a highly flexible workspace for notes, wikis, and project management, while Monday.com focuses on streamlined team collaboration and workflow automation. Both are powerful tools, but their core philosophies diverge significantly, impacting how you organize tasks and information. Let's dive into their unique strengths. Notion truly shines with its block-based editor, allowing you to build highly customized pages and interconnected databases for virtually any purpose. Monday.com, on the other hand, provides a more structured approach with its visual boards, robust automations, and extensive integrations. While Notion offers deep customization for individual content, Monday.com prioritizes pre-built templates and drag-and-drop simplicity to quickly set up efficient workflows for your team. When it comes to collaboration, both platforms offer strong features. Notion supports real-time editing, comments, and shared workspaces, fostering a collaborative environment. Monday.com provides excellent team management, guest access, and detailed activity logs for transparent project tracking. Regarding pricing, Notion has a free personal plan and team plans starting around $8 per user per month. Monday.com typically starts at about $9 per user per month, often with a minimum of 3 users. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific requirements. Notion is ideal for individuals and teams seeking a highly adaptable knowledge base, personal wiki, or a flexible project hub where content creation is key. Monday.com is better suited for teams needing structured project management, CRM, or visual workflow automation with clear task tracking. Consider Notion for its unparalleled flexibility, and Monday.com for its strong emphasis on streamlined team coordination and operational efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.